Hi guys, this is Kassie Chang. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Yellow Diamond Records, Hmoodle, Proto J, M150 and Encore for having me there last night performing at the event. I had so much fun. It was such a blast. I'm losing my voice today, so don't mind me. But thank you M150 for the hat. It's lovely. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a lot of fun as much as I did. It was great meeting all the fans and everyone. You guys are so lovely. I'm going to show you guys a little preview of what happened last night. If you guys did miss out on it, it was so fun. There's always next time though, so please come out and support us again. I'm going to have my new first album coming out on July 4th this year. I will be releasing it in Minnesota tournament, so I hope you guys come by, support me, and come support the Yellow Diamond Records crew as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks, California. Bye!